Welcome to my channel. In my previous session, we have discussed partners capital account. The link is given in the description box. Please check it. Today, we are going to learn preparation of partners capital account under both fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Let me read the problem first. From the following information, prepare capital accounts of X and Y when their capitals are fixed. Here, they ask you to prepare capital account under fixed capital method. The informations related to partnership business is given. Capital introduced on 1st January 2018. This is the initial capital introduced by the partners. X contributed rupees 1 lakhs and Y contributed rupees 80,000. Current account on 1st January 2018. This is a credit balance 5,000 for X and 3,000 for Y. Additional capital introduced by the partners on June 2018. X contributed rupees 10,000 and Y contributed rupees 20,000. Drawings made by the partners during 2018. X withdrawn rupees 20,000 and Y withdrawn rupees 13,000. For the drawings made by the partners, they have to pay interest. The interest on drawings for X is rupees 500 and 300 for Y. Share of profit for 2018. This is the profit from profit and loss appropriation account. 10,000 for X and 8,000 for Y. Partners are entitled to receive interest on capital if the partnership deed allowed. Interest on capital for X is rupees 6,300 and for Y 5,400. Partners are entitled to receive salary and commission for the partnership business if the partnership deed allowed. X is going to get salary of rupees 9,000. Y is going to get nothing as salary. Commission is not allowed for X and for Y commission amount is rupees 1,200. Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, partners capital account and partners current account. We have to start with opening balance of capital. Capital on 1st January 2018, 1 lakh and 80,000. 1st January 2018, buy balance brought down 1 lakh and 80,000. Additional capital introduced by the partner will appear on the credit side of the partner's capital account. Additional capital introduced on 1st June 2018. 1st June 2018, by bank, additional capital introduced. Additional capital 10,000 and 20,000. 10,000 for X, 20,000 for Y. Only capital introduced by the partner, additional capital introduced and any amount withdrawn permanently by the partner will appear on the partner's capital account under fixed capital method. At the end of the year, we have to close the partner's capital account. Now total the credit side for X 1 lakh 10,000, for Y 1 lakhs. On 31st December 2018. Balance on the partner's capital account. To balance carry down. This is the balancing figure. 1,10,000. 1 lakh. Write the same amount in the total column. Previous year closing balance will be the next year's opening balance on 1st January 2019. Opening balance of partners capital account by balance brought down 1,10,000 and 1 lakhs. Now we will move on to partners current account under fixed capital method. All the other transactions related to partners and the business are recorded in the partners current account. We have to start with the opening balance. Look at the information. Current account on 1st January 2018, it is a credit balance. So we have to start with this opening balance. Since this is the credit balance, the opening balance will appear on the credit side. 1st June, January 2018. By balance brought down 5,000, 3,000. Next, drawings made during the year. Drawings will decrease the partner's capital account. So, it will appear on the debit side of the partner's current account. 2 drawings. Drawings 20,000, 13,000 for Y. Interest on drawings also expenses for the partner. So record the amount of interest on drawings on the debit side. 2 interest on drawings. $500 and $300. Share of profit for 2018. This profit is from profit and loss appropriation account. Any profit will appear on the credit side. Share of profit from profit and loss appropriation account. So write by profit and loss appropriation account. $10,000 for X and $8,000 for Y. Next one, interest on capital. Interest on capital will appear on the credit side of the partner's current account by interest on capital. $6,300, $5,400. Salary by salary. 9,000 for X. For Y, no salary. Commission. Commission will also appear on the credit side of partner's current account. No commission for X and 1,200 rupees for Y. We have recorded all the transactions in the partner's current account. At the end of the year, we have to close the partner's current account. The accounting year starts on 1st January 2018. The accounting year ends on 31st December 2018. The total of credit balance is more than debit balance. So first total the credit side. For X, the total is 30,300, and for Y, the total amount is 17,600. At the end of the year, 31st December 2018, to balance carry down. 30,300 minus 20,500. The balance is 9,800. 17,600 minus 13,300. The balancing figure is 4,300. Write the total in total column. 30,300 for X and 17,600 for Y. Previous year closing balance will be the next year's opening balance. So on 1st January 2019, opening balance of current account is by balance brought down. Previous year's closing balance, next year opening balance 9,800 and 4,300. I hope now you are clear with the fixed capital method of preparing partners capital account. Next we will move on to fluctuating capital method. Transactions related to partnership business of Arun and Selvam is given in this problem, and they ask you to prepare capital account of partners under fluctuating capital method. We read the informations one by one. Capital on 1st January 2020, this is credit balance 2 lakhs for Arun and 1,75,000 for Selvam. Drawings made during the year 2020, 40,000 is withdrawn by Arun and 35,000 is withdrawn by Selvam. Partners have to pay interest on the drawings made by them, 1,000 rupees for Arun and 500 rupees for Selvam. Share of profit for 2020. Remember, this is the profit from profit and loss appropriation account. 21,000 for Arun and 10,500 for Selvam. Next, interest on capital. For the capital introduced by the partner, the firm have to pay interest as per the partnership deed. Interest on capital 12,000 rupees and 10,500 rupees. Partners are allowed to receive salary and commission if the partnership deed allowed. Arun is entitled to receive a salary of 18,000 and commission is allowed only for Selvam. We have to start with the opening balance of capital. Opening capital on 1st January 2020, it is a credit balance. Start with the opening balance on 1st January 2020. By balance brought down 2 lakhs for Arun, 1,75,000 for Selvam. Drawings made during the year 2020. Drawings is expenses for the partner and it will decrease the partner's capital account. So we have to show the amount of drawings on the debit side of the partner's capital account. Drawings 40,000 for Arun, 35,000 for Selvam. Like drawings, interest on drawings also expenses for partner and it will decrease capital account. So we have to record the amount of interest on drawings on debit side to interest on drawings. 1000 for Arun, 500 for Selvam. Share of profit for 2020. This is the profit from profit and loss appropriation account. Any profit will appear on the credit side of the partner's capital account by profit and loss appropriation account. $21,000 for Arun, 16,500 for Selvam. Next information, interest on capital. Interest on capital is beneficial to the partner. So we have to show the amount on credit side of the partner's capital account by interest on capital. $12,000 for Arun, 10,500 for Selvam. Next, salary. Salary allowed only for Arun. Salary also appear on the credit side of the partner's capital account. 18,000 for Arun. No salary for Selvam. Next, commission. We have to record commission on the credit side of the partner's capital account by commission. No commission is allowed for Arun and 2,500 rupees for Selvam. We have recorded all the informations. At the end of the year, we have to close the partner's capital account. Accounting period starts on 1st January 2020. So we have to close the accounts on 31st December 2020. Now, total both the sides. The amount in the credit side is more than the debit side. So, we have to total credit side first. Total for Arun is 2,51,000 and Selvam is 2,04,500. Now find out the balancing figure. To balance, carry down. 2,51,000 minus 41,000, 2,10,000. 2,04,500 minus 35,500. The balance is 1,69,000. Now we have to write the total amount for Arun and Selvam. Previous year's closing balance will be the opening balance for next year. On 1st January 2021, opening balance of capital by balance brought down 2,10,000, 1,69,000. I hope you are clear with the preparation of partner's capital account under both fixed and fluctuating capital method.